body remembers what the mind forgets. Each ache, each scar, each return from pain becomes instinct. When you've known illness or fatigue, you move differently. You listen more closely to your breath. You rest when warning whispers. That is wisdom, not weakness. The bird that was once caught now flies lower, slower, but always freer. Health is learning your limits without fear. You have survived once, now thrive with awareness. Let your carefulness be your freedom, not your cage. The work is the walk. Keep going.